Have you ever looked at the world's current state and felt a deep, ancestral sense of displacement? Like you are a king or a queen currently working as a servant, waiting for a key that you haven't been taught how to use? You are not alone in this feeling. As we approach the pivotal turns of 2026 and 2027, there is a profound sense that the old structures of man are facing their limits. You see it in the global volatility, you feel it in the social tension, and you hear it in the constant, heavy noise of the media. Most people are responding to this shift with a paralyzing fear. They are shrinking, hiding, and hoping for a return to a normal that has already ceased to exist. But your soul, connected to a higher truth, senses something far more significant. You feel a great shaking. For years you have felt like an outsider in this modern landscape. You have felt a growing repulsion toward the shallow pursuits of the crowd, a hunger for deeper meaning, and a quiet, persistent calling that says you were not meant to be a subject of this system. You were meant to be a servant of the king. Listen to me carefully. The instability you see in the world is not a disaster for you. It is a divine invitation. The Creator is allowing the pillars of man's economy and social structure to shake so that his faithful will finally stop leaning on them. He is dismantling the external illusion to force you to build your internal kingdom. The reason you have felt isolated, squeezed, and misunderstood is that you were being fortified. You were being prepared to stand as a lighthouse of stability in a world of storms. The chosen ones are not those who seek to fight the world with its own weapons. They are the souls who have realized that true sovereignty is found in total surrender to the Creator. The matrix, the system of man, has a will for your life. It promises you inheritance if you follow its rules. It says, "Give me your youth, give me your attention, give me your integrity, and in return, I will give you security." This is the great deception. The world's inheritance is always conditional, always temporary, and always designed to keep you in a state of need. It gives you gold that tarnishes and praise that fades. As we move further into this era, the world's will is being contested. This is why you feel a repulsion toward the old way of doing things. You see the successful people of the world, and you no longer feel envy. You feel pity. You see that they are wealthy slaves, tied to a system that could reset their lives to zero in a heartbeat. The lack you have felt recently, the drying up of old sources and the closing of traditional doors, is actually the Almighty contesting the counterfeit will. He is stopping you from building a house on a site that is scheduled for demolition. He is allowing you to feel the poverty of the world's systems so that you will finally become hungry enough to search for the kingdom wealth. You were never meant to be a worker in their factory. You were meant to be an heir in his kingdom. Stop trying to fix your life using the tools of the system. Stop begging the world for a seat at a table that is about to collapse. Your inheritance is not out there in the hands of man. It is up there in the hands of the Creator. To access your sovereign estate, you must break the seals of the inheritance. These are not rules. They are frequency keys that align your soul with the treasury of the infinite. The first seal is the seal of worthiness. The enemy's greatest weapon against your inheritance is the spirit of unworthiness. It whispers, "Who are you to be sovereign? Look at your mistakes. You don't deserve the overflow." As long as you feel like a failure, you subconsciously push your inheritance away. You must break this seal by realizing that your worth is not earned, it is decreed. You are worthy because the Creator designed you for a specific mission. When you accept your worthiness as a servant, the flow begins. The second seal is the seal of stewardship. The Almighty does not give infinite resources to small desires. He gives wealth to missions. This seal is broken when you shift your mindset from "what can I get" to "how can I serve?" When you prove to the heavens that you are a clear pipe, that resources will flow through you to build, to help, and to honor the truth, The valve is opened. You become a trustee of the kingdom. The third seal is the seal of alignment. This is the realization that whatever is meant for you will never miss you. Most people forfeit their inheritance because they try to force it before the season is ready. Alignment means trusting the speed of the Creator more than the hurry of the world. If you feel called to receive a more direct, personalized lighthouse for your journey, if you are standing at a crossroads in your career or soul mission, I am here to guide you through a private video reading. This is a deeply personalized session where I connect with your unique energy blueprint to uncover divine insights tailored solely for you. It is a channel for wisdom to provide you with actionable clarity for your next phase of growth. Each session is delivered as a private video file that is yours to keep forever. You can request your briefing through the link in the description. And for those who need immediate clarity, I have opened a path for free guidance on our new Ko-fi sanctuary. Follow us there and send your message. I will do my best to provide the peace you need. Before we continue, I must address the resistance our signal is currently facing. Our previous communication outposts on Facebook and Instagram were compromised and hacked. Those accounts are no longer under our authority. We have established a new digital frontier, and I am calling on our tribe to join us there as we restore our community of light. Your presence is the strength of this mission. Please follow us on our new verified platforms: Facebook, The Prediction Files; Instagram, The Predictions Files; YouTube, @The Prediction Files. Join us today to ensure our signal remains unbroken. You have been underground. You have been working in silence, struggling in private, and being hammered by the hand of the Creator. You have watched the world celebrate those who followed the low road of ego and greed. You have often asked, Master of the Universe, am I being seen? Will my patience be recorded? I am here to deliver the decree. The era of the great reveal is here. It is the time when the hidden servants are finally moved from the laboratory to the throne. Your words will carry a weight they never had before. When you speak truth, hearts will listen. You will not have to build a brand. The Creator will build your authority. You will find that you have everything you need to build the new earth, without the hustle or the debt of the old world. The drought of your testing is over. The rain of divine purpose is falling. Step into the field. The architect has finished the training. You are no longer a victim of the shift. You are the commander of the impact. The world is searching for answers in failing logic, but you are anchored in the one who is eternal. You have moved from confusion to command. Walk out into your life today with your head held high. You are protected by the hand of the Creator. You are provisioned by the treasury of the heavens. The struggle was a fading echo. The sovereignty is the reality. You are sacred. You are strong. You are an heir. I officially declare that my sovereign estate is secure. I renounce the small-mindedness of the world. I claim the restoration of my years, my energy, and my inheritance in 2027. I am ready to lead. I am ready to build. I am ready to serve. My Lord is my architect, and my soul is unbreakable. It is signed. It is sealed. It is done. If you accept your sovereignty, type the final code. I am the heir. Subscribe to stay in the truth. The shift is accomplished.